Gusto mo bang malaman kung magkano yung magiging monthly payment mo kapag nag-loan ka? And gusto mo rin bang makuha yung breakdown ng magiging payment mo for that loan period? Let me show you how with three different financial functions in Excel. We will start with the payment function or PMT. This calculates the payment for a loan based on constant payments and constant interest rate. Ito yung syntax niya. So, yung rate, yung interest rate for the period of the loan, N per, yung total number of payments for the loan, and then yung PV, yung present value. So, ayun yung mga required values. Ito yung mga optional, yung FV, yung future value ng loan, and yung type. Kung ang payment pa is at the end of the period or of the beginning of the period. In this example, the loan is for 20,000 and let's say ang loan period mo is for 24 months and then ang interest rate is pag sinabi na lang 6% per month, then 6% tayo. Pag sinabi na lang 6% per annum, then you have to divide 6% to 12. In this example, the interest rate will be 6% per month. So ngayon, identify natin magkano yung magiging monthly payment using the PMT function. Yung rate natin, 6%. Yung N per, yung total number of payments, dito yung tenure. And then yung present value is yung loan amount mo. And then ito, yung sa present value, dapat lagi siyang naka-negative. Okay? And we identify na kapag nag-loan ka ng 20,000 for 24 months with 6% monthly interest, ang magiging payment mo monthly is 1,593.58. Now na nakuha na natin yung monthly payment, kunin naman natin kung magkano yung babayaran mo na interest. And we will use IPMT function or interest payment. IPMT returns the interest payment for a given period of an investment based on periodic constant payments and a constant interest rate. Meron siyang limang syntax. So the rate, ito yung rate natin, which is 6%. Yung period, kung pang ilan na yung payment natin. N per, yung total number of payments. And then yung present value, which is yung loan amount natin. Okay. And I did mention na dapat yung present value natin is naka-negative. Then copy natin yung formula pababa. And there you go. So that's the payment that you will need to pay each month for this loan amount. Now na nakuha na natin yung monthly payment and then yung interest, compute naman natin kung magkano yung payment mo to principal. So kada bayad mo, magkano yung nababawas sa principal. And we will be using the PPMT function or principal payment. PPMT returns a payment on the principal for a given investment based on periodic, constant payments, and a constant interest rate. So meron din siyang limang syntax, that's rate, yung 6%, period, kung pang ilan na yung payment natin, yung N per, yung total number of payments, present value is yung loan amount. Okay, and again, dapat negative yung present value. And then, copy natin yung formula pababa. And there you go. So, ito yung nababawas sa principal kada nagma-monthly payment ka. Yung payment to interest and payment to principal, kapag inad mo yan, is yung monthly payment mo. Ayun lang. I hope I was able to explain it properly. If you find my video helpful, please like, comment, and share the video. And follow nyo na rin ako to receive more videos like this.